Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm building a ping pong table stand. Now I had really had no intention of doing this, but I was looking through the free section on Craigslist and somebody was giving away a ping pong table. The only downside was it didn't have a stand, and I thought that was perfect for makerpipe because we can build one. So I went and picked it up this morning. Now I'm going to unload it from the van and get working on it. Okay, so here it is. It's not in perfect shape, as you can tell. There's some scratches, some dents and dings, but I'm not one to complain about free stuff, so it's going to be great for this. On the back here, you can see it's got pipes on it already, and I guess that's where it broke. And then it's got this metal skirting around the outside. So I'm going to take the pipes off that are already on there and take this metal skirting off, and then I would just be left with the tops. All right, so I've got the pipes cut, I've got the tabletops ready to go, and I've got my connectors with the mini model over here. And real quick, I just want to show you the basic frame I'm building. So it's got 90-degree connectors on the corners. There's 4 of those. And then in the middle, I'm using 4-way connectors to connect everything together and kind of add some bracing across the side. And to finish it off, I've got 2 T's running across to act as the neck. That's the basic frame. Like I said, if I have to add bracing, it's not a problem. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. I've got everything I need to get started, so let's get building. Okay, so I got the main frame finished and it's looking pretty good. I am going to add a 180 in the middle and then run a pipe to the edge using a T-connector just to kind of sturdy it up, but after that we'll be ready to add the top and then, yeah, we'll be done. All right, I've got the boards on top now. I haven't secured them yet. I just want to make sure everything lined up right. So I put them on top and it's looking good. Sitting on the frame like it's supposed to. Everything's looking good. I added the bracing on the sides with the 180 and T-connectors. So yeah, all I gotta do to finish it up is add the 1-hole straps underneath to secure the tops and then cut the center pipes to add the net across. So I'm gonna do that now and then we'll be done. All right, there it is all put together. Everything is secured. Looks good, nice and sturdy. And it's not perfect, of course, but for a free table and a few connectors, I think we did pretty good. So all it's left to do is play on it. Dave went to get some ping pong paddles. As soon as he comes back, we're gonna put it to the test.
Okay, I just got the call from Jake. He has finished the ping pong table and he's ready to do battle. We're gonna go play some ping pong on a Friday. Really excited for this. So I went to the store and got some supplies. I'm ready to go. Coming for you, Jake.
I can't believe how well it came out. This is amazing. Nice. I mean, it looks the part. It really does.
Yeah, I mean, considering it was free, I just picked it up. The guy was about to put it on his curb, or his wife told him to put it on the curb, and he was like, no, somebody will use it. And so here I am.
That's us.
Okay, just a friendly game.
All right, you ready?
11. Yep.
Okay.
Okay, guys, that was a ton of fun. Tip of the day, check the Craigslist free section. You never know what you're going to find. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave a like. And if you want to see more, please consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.